Hi, this is Camry. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to bring you with me and I'm going to share my haul from Hobby Lobby. And I got some stuff just so me and my kids could do some painting. We're going to do some watercolors. And it's actually going to be going into our bathroom that we recently remodeled. So I'll show you what I got here. I got this watercolor book of paper and it's really thick. We've tried to do watercolor in the past and it just rips through the paper, so this time I invested in the thick paper that's for watercolor. And this one was originally $8.99, but I used my 40% off coupon and it ended up being like $5.39, so that wasn't bad. And then I got these frames, and of course I'm not using the image inside, but like this one, originally $15.99 and it was on clearance for $3.99. So I got this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the back off and then I'm going to put our picture into it and just replace the back, and then that will be what's hanging in the bathroom. And so I got this one, and Jonathan's going to be using this one. I got this one for $4.49. and it's huge. Look at this thing, it's huge. So this picture won't be in there either. That will be Christian's. Christian's going to paint some watercolors and put it in here. And then I got one for myself too, just because I want to participate. And this one was also $4.49. And so the babies are gonna be doing their own painting as well, but I'll probably get a frame from Dollar Tree for them because it won't be going in the bathroom, but I will hang it here in my bedroom. But let me take you and show you where we are painting because it's already all set up and ready to go. Okay, so here they are. They're already started painting. They're beautiful paintings. Christian's sketching his out. Jonathan's painting there. See, he's got the little frame, so we made the rectangle on the paper so he knows where his drawing needs to stay in. Stay tuned to see how we turn this art into framed DIY home decor.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess.
Check out how serious we are while painting.
I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing.
While our paintings dry, I'm going to start working on the frames. To start, I'm going to remove all of the packaging. Then I'm going to remove the paper from the back of the frame by making a cut with a knife, and then I'll just rip the rest of the way off.
Now we're over, that's a fact. Phrasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine.
Then I need to bend and remove some of the staples from the back, so I am using a knife and a staple remover to do that.
What to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you...
Unfortunately, the picture, paperboard, and foam board are all one piece, so I'm going to have to just slide our paintings in and try to place it in the best that I can.
Nothing you do can save us, because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing with me.
It actually looks pretty good. I'm just going to push the old staples down and get them out of the way before I start stapling with the new staples.
Can't save us, because you're acting like a volcano.
I am using my regular stapler to tack the back on it because I am afraid that the staple gun will push the staples through and crack the glass. So this is how they turned out. I really like them. Plus I made 3 of these for the same price as one at Hobby Lobby, even when it was on sale 50% off.
Dance around your feet until the beat start again. Oh, and then do it the same. Magnetized, you feel a bit.
I am using command strips to hang these because I try not to damage my walls, especially after all the work I went through to paint them.
They can be deceiving. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know you were playing with fire. Can't you see? You better take it easy. Let it go, 'cause you should have known better. You should have known better. Heading for the street into the heat of the night. Yeah, alright, do it again. You should have seen it come. You acted numb, don't deny. You are like a moth to the flame. When you get that feeling.
I am hanging our paintings in the bathroom that was recently remodeled. I am in love with these paintings. They are not professionally done, but they mean so much to me. Plus, my kids feel so awesome that their paintings are displayed in our home. If you like this video, please show me some love by giving me a thumbs up. Also, if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye.